my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara, and today's video is going to be all about laundry, you guys. I already have a load of clothes that have been washed and dried, plus I have some that's in the dryer that needs to come out and be folded. So today I'm just going to go into my laundry room. I'm going to get all of these clothes clean on today. Today is Saturday, so today is the day where we're going to get everything that's dirty cleaned up inside of the home. So as I stated before, I already have some clothes in the basket and some that needs to be taken out of the dryer that's clean. So, and plus I have other clothes that's in there that needs to be cleaned as well. So we're going to go in there and get in this laundry room and get all of this laundry cleaned up. Also, you guys, thank you to everybody who have subscribed to my channel and that have supported me thus far. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys just don't know how much it means to me for y'all to come back every time I upload a video. Also, to the new people, thank you for coming over on this journey with me. I really and truly hope that my channel is motivating to you guys. And also, you guys, before you go, please don't forget to like this video, share, comment down below what you like most about this video, or if it's something else that you would like for me to do on this channel. Let me know down in the comment section. Also, turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. So let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, the first thing I'm going to do is start out by separating these few clothes that we have here on the floor, as well as some that's to my left in the laundry basket. I'm just separating it into like whites and colored clothes. Now that everything is all separated, I'm going to start out with the color clothes. I like to put my color clothes or any of my clothes around the barrel of the tub. That way that the washer won't get off track. But I'm going to place 2 of the Memo Marks pods into the washer, as well as some fabric softener. At this time, I was out of the scented beads, so that's why you just see me placing those 2 things in those clothes. Now I'm going to begin by taking the towels that I had washed earlier that day out of the washer, you guys, and then we will proceed to fold those clothes. I just want to let you guys know that in this video I will be washing the rest of the clothes and folding all of the clothes, and that will make a total of 4 loads of clothes, you guys. So I'm going to stop talking here, but before you go, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, like the video, leave me a comment down below, and make sure that post notification bell is on so that you will be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give. 'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with the broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you, but I shut it down. So you took it and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the